In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change Trello list color, a handy feature that can help you better organize your tasks visually and add a pop of color to your board. Whether you're new to Trello or a seasoned user looking to customize your workflow, this tutorial will guide you step by step. First, let's make sure you're logged into your Trello account. Open your browser and head over to Trello's website. On the homepage, at the top right corner, you'll find the Login button. Click on it to begin. If you haven't logged in for a while, you'll be prompted to choose your login method. In this case, let's click on the Google option, as it's a quick and seamless way to sign in, especially if you have a Google account linked to Trello. A list of your Google accounts will appear. Simply select the one you use for accessing Trello, and you're good to go. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello workspace where you can see all your boards. Navigate to the board where you'd like to change a list color. For this demonstration, I'll go into a test board, but you should select whichever board you're working on. Now that you're in your chosen board, you'll see all your lists aligned horizontally. Find the specific list you want to change the color of. On the top right corner of this list, you'll notice 3 vertical dots, which represent the menu. Click on these 3 dots to reveal a drop-down menu with multiple options. This menu is where you can access various list-specific settings and customize according to your needs. In this drop-down menu, look for the option labeled Change List Color. Click on it and a selection of color choices should appear. Now is the time to get creative. You can choose from a range of colors that best fits the task or the importance of the list. Perhaps you're working on a project that requires high priority tasks to be marked in red, or maybe you just love a specific color that inspires productivity. The flexibility is at your fingertips to make your Trello experience as personal and effective as possible. Once you click on your color of choice, the change will be applied instantly. The selected list will now have a new background color, making it stand out and easier to identify. Take a moment to review your board and ensure the change meets your organizational style and preference. And there you have it, a newly customized Trello list ready to help you manage your tasks with color-coded ease. This little bit of customization can make a big difference in how efficiently you work with Trello, enhancing both visual appeal and functionality. Thanks for joining me today and happy organizing.